Hi, welcome to Drain and Plumbing Services. I will show you around. Come on, let's go. This is my desk. This is where the reception area is, and there's another room. This is where accounting people are. And we have a little break room. This is where we have meetings and have lunch. And I'll show you the warehouse as well. The room where the water heaters are. This is where we keep all our supplies. Bathroom and washer and the dryer for convenience of the plumbers. Thank you for taking this tour with us at Drain and Plumbing Services.